been a long time since I've been on a walk. I need some exercise. I'm cooled off a little bit. It rained most of the morning. It's not too humid. Y'all want to go with me? I've been wanting to try this active track. Anyway, let's see what it does about this tree. Come on, you can do it. There you go. Good boy. I guess if I hadn't been quite so close to it, I wouldn't have had so much trouble. Need to figure out how to make this thing fly in front of me so y'all don't have to look at my back. It's raining a little bit. That was supposed to be blowing over. I think the walk might be canceled. We're getting rained out. Hey, it does work in front of me. I'll have to, It's not raining over here. But it's raining over there. Let's see. Well, that seems to be working all right. Can you see the lake there? Yeah, those little ponds. The developer calls those lakes. I don't know how he figures they're lakes and not ponds, but that's what he calls them. Hey guys, how's it going? Yeah, the developer calls those little ponds lakes, and he calls this place we're going walking to, calls it a mountain. It's a good sized hill. It's quite a walk. I don't know how you classify it as a mountain though. Seems kind of jumpy. Does it look jumpy? You're about to back into a tree. You see it? Stop. Huh. Okay. Wise guy, huh? I just wanted to show you. They call it the mountain. Nice sign though, huh? Watch out for that street sign. Now you got back behind me again. pretty good hill. I'm gonna be breathing heavy. Sorry about that. I guess when you go uphill, you have to raise the height of the drone. You almost ran into the ground. Welcome to Lake Olivia. And welcome to Mountain Falls. Whew. It's been a long time since I've walked. Are we gonna make it up the hill? I mean, the mountain. Steep hill, a lot of bushes. You gonna make it? Okay, we'll just carry you through this part. Yeah, I'm breathing heavy. That's a steep hill. Okay, we are back. And yes, I'm still breathing heavy. We made it to the top of the mountain. And here, yeah, you should be able to see Tahlequah behind me. There, now you can see Tahlequah. You want a closer look? Ooh, looks like it's raining in the middle of town. I'm not going that far. It's pretty windy too. But that's Tahlequah. That's the south side of Tahlequah. Where'd I go? Oh, there I am. Okay, here I am. And there's my house down there. That's where we started. Boy, it's getting windy. Hey.
Hey! You still flying your drone?
Yeah, you're being recorded right now.
Oh.
Just audio.
I shouldn't say anything dirty, huh?
I mean, I can cut it out if you want to. Where you at?
I'm turning at the light by Walmart.
Oh, okay. I'm on top of the mountain. Come give me a ride.
I'm on top of the mountain. Was that dirty talk or are you on top of the mountain? Did Chelsea send you her new contact?
If she did, I haven't seen it.
Oh, yeah, she sent me a text and said, this is Chelsea. And I sent her a text back, Chelsea who? And Chelsea sent me a picture of the barber shop, and there was Jason, Nathan, Braden, and Vincent there.
Oh, wow.
And I was like, Vincent and Nathan do not look happy.
I didn't realize she had Vincent too. She asked me if I still needed a haircut.
It sounds like you're in a swarm of bees and you need to run. Why are the flags at half staff?
Tulsa police officers.
The one in front of the fire station is, but the one in front of the school isn't.
Can't get my bearings right here to find you. Where are you at now?
Going over the speed hump. Speed hump. Ready to drive into the meadow.
Huh. I don't see you, but you must be on camera there.
I'm on the street. I'm home. You're not here. Are you physically on the mountain?
Yes.
On the mountain. Did you walk up the mountain?
I did.
You want me to come get you?
No, I'm good.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Are you on top of the mountain still?
I'm about halfway down. It was watching you going home.
But now I'm home, so what's it doing now?
Now I'm trying to find me.
What kind of footage were you getting from the mountain?
I was walking and talking,
Oh.
and my drone was videoing, and I have a mic on.
Oh. People looking out their windows going, what is that crazy old guy doing?
Yep. Oh, so what's for dinner tonight?
Trying some leftover pasta stuff.
Yeah, that'd be good.
I guess I should make some strawberry shortcakes, huh?
Oh, I meant to go out to the store today. I'll bet if anybody recommended that y'all get tested, Ah, son of a bitch.
Nobody wants to get it's hard, I mean, if the test comes back, I mean, you have to be positive that every day you had a test. And then by the time the test gets back, you'd probably be already healed. What happened?
My drone caught a tree branch.
Uh-oh. Is it okay?
Yeah. Well, the first 24 branches I came across, I stopped and slowed down. Oh, sorry, could you hear me? The first 24 branches I came across, I stopped and slowed down and made sure that it worked.
The branch just jumped out in front of you?
And it had worked so well that I got used to it and I didn't pay attention to it anymore, and all of a sudden it went